smoking or shots. Give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. Wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, boy, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a grade 16 like Kenny.
Caravan's still there. It's the same one.
Is it?
Yeah, it's been there for weeks and weeks.
Yeah.
He must live there.
Must have moved in there.
That's Will's bend over there.
Yep.
That's a camping ground over there.
Oh, that Will's bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, okay.
There we are. There we back here at the same spot. Lovely sunny morning. Lovely. But very, very cold. I think it's only 6 degrees at the moment. What'd you do with that wood? That hardwood?
I end up giving it to the Salvation Army to give out to some of the old. Yeah.
Do they know it doesn't burn very well?
Yeah, I said to them, look, it didn't burn very well. I said, but the gentleman that had it didn't want it, so I'll donate it here. And they thanked me. They said, oh, some of the old people will want it for wood. I said, okay.
Trip it all over the fucking joint. Yeah. That was a good one. Oh, good. Okay. Yeah. Don't walk in front of the camera.
More stuff there too.
Yeah. Oh, lovely, lovely. Wood's a bit damp. have a sit down if you want it.
No worries. Thank you.
Whew.
Oh. Okay.
We'll get it going.
That's gone good, isn't it?
Yeah, for the moment. Wood, I say the wood's a bit wet.
Yeah, well, we had more rain yesterday, so yeah, it'll dry up quick enough.
I'm going to have one of these today.
Oh yeah, sandwich.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you call it again? What do you call these again?
I forgot, to be honest with you, Graham.
The jaffalines.
Gaffle, that's the one. Yep.
I'll give you a sandwich too.
I appreciate it, thank you. Oh, that's going to burn nice, that.
Yeah.
Now that you've got it going.
I'm going to get too hot here.
Yes, it's warm, yeah. So I said, it's a big difference in the other day. The other day, it's about the same temperature, but the other day it was bloody, that fire was cold. And today it's hot, that's why I'm sitting back a bit. It's warm, it's beautiful. That's $75 a box for that beer, Graham, is that right?
Hey?
That beer that you buy is about $75 a box?
Oh, I don't know.
The Crowning?
57.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was about 75.
57.
Yeah, oh, that's good.
It used to be cheaper than that.
Uh-huh.
10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock beer time.
3 o'clock.
Yeah.
3 o'clock. sitting over there in the shade, Sue.
Yeah, you get hot.
Seven minutes past 10. This stuff here is good to burn. This bark here. Ooh. Oh.
There's some heat. Yeah, there is some heat in it, all right.
Oh.
There's an easterly wind going today.
Aye.
There's an easterly blowing today. You don't usually get easterlies up here. Only when it rains you get easterlies.
Oh, that's lovely. Lovely.
On bikes too, don't you, Graham? You do it on push bikes or motorbikes? What do you do it on? I know one's fishing.
Hey?
Some of your filming is for fishing and camping and But don't you do motorbikes or bikes or something too, or not?
Bike riding.
Bike riding, is that what it is? Yep,
Yeah.
yep. You ride yourself?
Yeah, I ride an e-bike.
Oh yeah, electric ones, yeah.
Yeah.
My grandson just sold his, bought a motorbike.
How old is he? How old is he?
15.
Oh, I see.
His bike could do 85 kilometres an hour. That's dangerous.
Oh, that's illegal.
I know. It's real
You
big
really
bike.
do that?
$6,000 friggin' dollars he paid for a bloody electric bike. I said, you're mad. Anyway, he sold it after 12 months. He got 5,000 back, or 4,900 he got. And he bought himself a motorbike now.
Where does he ride that?
On my farm.
Oh, all right. Where did you buy the e-bike?
I don't know, but it got delivered by a truck to my house in a big pallet. I had to lift it up with the forks at home.
You probably bought it
He
online.
put it online, yeah, correct.
Yeah, a lot of those are illegal.
Yeah, well, this one is illegal because it goes so fast.
Probably from Amazon or...
Something like
Something
that,
like
Graham,
that.
I don't know, yeah. I know it cost him $6,000. No
Oh.
pedals on it, no pedals, just all batteries. No pedals at all on it.
Yeah, or probably got it imported from bloody China.
Probably.
Now, I bought my e-bike from the local bike shop.
Oh yeah, Lawson's or someone, yeah.
No, what's his name? The bike shop on the corner. What's his name?
Is it Lawford? No? I know who you're talking about, but I just can't think of him, yeah. He's just right on that corner where Retrovision used to be. He's got the
Yeah,
big bike shop
yeah.
there, yeah.
It cost me 1,800 for that one.
Yep,
It's the only cheapest one he had.
right.
It was just a one-off thing.
Yep,
So I thought that was a bargain, so I bought it.
yep.
I haven't had any trouble with it.
That's good. You got to put on the charger, don't you? Only when you use it.
You can't let it go. Yeah, you can't let the charger go to zero
Right.
because it stuffs up the battery.
Okay.
And you have to keep it inside
Yep.
all the time.
Yep.
It has to be at a certain temperature.
Okay. Ash Hall is the bloke.
Yeah, that's all.
That's the one over there. Yeah. Yeah, well, I know he told me it was illegal. He said to me, it's illegal. I said, what are you doing riding it? It goes fast. I said, bloody goes fast. 85, that's ridiculous. Bloody kill yourself on it. You have to wear a motorbike helmet when you're riding it. Structure, car fire in shed. 830 Warparella Road. Fuck, next to the fire shed. 830 Warparella Road. Are you about or not? Oh, you're in Echuca. Yeah. All right. I'll let you go and I'll make a couple of phone calls. I'm in BENARCA with one of my clients, yeah, so I'm a long way away. But in a shed, yeah, we've got to be careful. All right. I'll talk to you tonight. Righto, buddy. See you, mate. Bye. Bye. car on fire inside a shed. Just near my place, yeah, not far from my place.
TV, is it?
No, thank God it's not. You'd never get it out, Graham. Yeah.
9 o'clock. Oh.
Got a bit there, or yeah, I'll go and collect some more bigger stuff in a minute.
Didn't take that long to burn down.
No. No, it didn't. That's what I was surprised, Graham. We put a fair bit of wood in there. I'll go and get some more. We burned it through so quick today, isn't it? Beautiful fire. We'll get some.
Absolutely beautiful. That's big enough. My God.
Yep.
Oh, that's bloody hot. Whew. Oh my God. Ugh.
That's Graham's chair.
No, that's my
That's your chair. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
The sun was shining in my eyes.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, good stuff. Getting hot, Graham.
Oh my God, it's getting hotter, right?
Yeah. I found that. That's a ripper. I went and got that one. That's a good little blog.
Yeah.
Yep. So Makita have brought out an electric chainsaw, Graham.
Hey?
Makita. They've got an electric chainsaw. It's got these batteries, without a word of lie, they'd be that big. 2 batteries on the side, 20-inch bar. It cut on a big chain, $2,000. And I thought, oh my God. But a lot of people are going to buy them. They can go out in the bush and cut as much as they like and no one will hear them.
How long do they go for?
I reckon non-stop 2 hours.
Is that all?
That's all. Because there's so much power, yeah. I'll look it up, show you. Here we go, it's got the thing here. Most cordless chainsaws may be limited now.
What's that look like? You got a picture?
Yeah, it's, hey, it's only, you see, easy, run through them, 30 minutes. If you keep going, you'll kill the batteries. So I'll show you the picture of them. 1,000. Yeah, just over $1,000 they are.
Mm.
But if you keep going, continuous cutting, you're only going to get 30 minutes out of them. Continuous cutting.
I get about 40, 45 minutes.
Out of that one. Yeah. Each battery's nearly $300. Extra battery's $1,358. Bloody hell. $1,400 for a chainsaw, electric.
Not bloody worth it.
No. Cut it. No.
Let these heat up a bit first. Like Strasbourg?
Yeah,
Strasbourg and cheese?
that's fine. Thank you very much. Much appreciated.
I'll probably end up burning them, I suppose. Have you got one of those?
I used to, but I don't know where it is, Graham. I used to have them, yeah. Mine was not as long as that. It was a little bit smaller than that. Used to have in a funny shape, so when you closed it, you'd cut the bread in half. You know what I mean? You'd put your bread on there, and when you closed it, it used to give you that triangle sort of thing. Yeah, two halves.
That's done. Think that's done?
Look at that. Oh, there you go. There you go. Hey, silly man. Silly man. Oh, had he? Right. Yeah. All right, mate. No, you're absolutely brilliant what you did, mate. I was so proud of you. I'm listening to you, and I think this bloke like he's been in the brigade Unbelievable. And was it a car he was doing up or something, was it? Fire. And the silly bugger, it probably called you straight away, we might have got it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. He's lost a car, he's lost everything. Much damage in the shed? Oh, of course, yeah, and that's what usually, it's the smoke and water damage that causes more problems than anything else. Soaked, yeah. Good, brother. Thanks again, Joel. Thanks, mate. Talk to you. See you, mate. Bye. Bye.
You're getting a lot of phone calls.
Yeah, that's unfortunately because of my position in the fire brigade. They all ring me.
What do they ring you for?
Because I'm in charge of that area. So any big fire that goes in that area, they ring me just to let me know what's going on and what happened and all that. Yeah, no, they all ring me, unfortunately. When I said I was in BENARCA was a client. Oh, aren't you lucky? I said, I am. I said, I am. I said, I'm relaxing in the chair, sitting in the sun. Beautiful.
They turned out really well, those
They
sandwiches.
did, didn't they?
I haven't done that for a long time.
No, come up real good.
Yours is the end one.
Thank
on the
you.
end.
I'll only have half. I'll cut it in half. You can have 1.5. Half is more than enough for me because at least I managed to get a bit of a breakfast this morning. So I had good breakfast because I thought I was going to stay home. So I'll cut that in half. That'll be great. Thank you. Much appreciated.
It was good while it lasted.
Yeah, you're not wrong there. That's one of my boys. That's what we caught. That was on the Edwards. Look at the size of that one.
Oh, geez, that's a big one.
And then same night.
What size are they?
That first one went 1.2. He went, he was this big, 1.2. Second one went 870, but he was heavy. He was real deep. And we took him.
Hey?
We threw him back. Look at that for a crayfish. Murray cray, yeah, we caught them. That one. That was a couple of weeks ago. There's my grandson. Good crays.
Oh, yeah.
Real good crays. We caught them on the Goulburn, out Mitchelton, the Gambie way, on the Goulburn River. Murray's got no water in it at the moment. Nothing's moving on the Murray. Taking all the water out. So the fish aren't biting. Car. There it is.
There's a fucking car coming down here.
Yeah. Fuck off, fly.
What are you doing, mate? What are you turning around for?
Yeah. Wood back, I reckon. We're going to cut wood and saw us. Thought, no, can't cut wood here. I'll take off. Going through that mud, that's what he's doing.
Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession, I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex, haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. They call me a god.
me a god. You call me a god.
I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. Wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a grid 6 feet like Kenny.